Samahan niyo ako ngayon dito sa Bale, Pampanga together with my 6 friends from the industry. We are reimagining some Kapampangan favorites. Masaya ako dahil nandito tayo sa Pampanga kung saan dito ang lahi ng mga Kuyugan. Though hindi ako lumaki dito at hindi ko man nakilala malalim ang mga Kapampangan at ang mga bagay-bagay tulad ng pagkain, culture, at masasaya pang mga activities dito. Kasi hindi kami lumaki dito dahil lagi kaming nasa Manila na yung dad ko at yung pamilya niya sa Manila. But we're here now together with my 6 other friends para magluto sa 45 na tao at titingnan natin kung mapapasaya natin sila. Tara!
Okay. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Enjoy! Siyempre, hindi tayo pwedeng umalis dito sa Bale, Pampanga nang hindi natin natitikman ang mga masasarap na dishes ng ating mga kaibigan. Kaya tikman at kilalanin natin ang kanilang mga creations.
What I served today was Bigukan Babi. The Tagalog translation is Binagoongan Pork. And the variation today was I added taba ng talangka to make it more Kapampangan, which is cut through the richness of the pork. I did 2 kinds of Thai radish. One is cooked, one is uncooked. And then I also serve it with another rice with salted peanuts and fried sabak to balance the flavor profiles out.
Sophisticated, kakaiba, at talaga namang leveled up na binagoong ang baboy. Ang sarap, Chef Rhea.
So we made like a version of a bringhe today. It's a crab bringhe where we cook the rice in like a pork, crab, and coconut broth. We top that with more crab. Then the yellow sauce is like a egg yolk and pineapple sauce. We top that with more pork, which is like your chicharron. Then scallions. You take a little bite of the pickled labanos or pickled radish. And then eat with the labanos. Yeah.
May cleanser pa. Bams, ang sarap.
Pwede. Panlaban.
Lalo lang yung nagiging crunchy.
So for today, we did a version of Kapampangan pindang. So traditionally, it's like cured and fermented carabao or sometimes pork. But for today, we did beef, and then we made into a taco. And then you have some vegetables on top, some pickles, some radish, and then we finish it off with some microgreens. So it's a very soulful dish.
Balanced and delicious. Great job, Chef Pat.
So it's sipo egg. So it's a traditional Kapampangan dish. Essentially, you have a little bit of shrimp. You have a cream sauce that has potato and carrots. On top, smoked peas, a bit of crispy shrimp head, and then bougainvillea.
Akala ng buong Philippines ngayon itong sipo, ha?
Exactly the same lang naman. Wala lang bougainvillea.
Kaya ba, no? Wow. That's so good. Dressed in a very beautiful way. Sarap ng crispy head.
So that suwam na mais, usually it's flavored with shrimp. This time I flavored it with pork. So I boiled ham bones and chicharon para magkalasa yung broth. I have smoked pork and grilled corn on the soup. Tapos on top of that, I have herb croutons and bacon. So yun. And then chili crisp sa dulo. Tsaka yung fun siya, para siya egg drop soup. May egg sa taas.
Very comforting. Pwede ko to araw-arawin. Perfect lalo na ngayon na umuulan-ulan. Thanks, Chef Angelo.
So we made 3 flavors of ice candy. Those are ube, langka, and makapuno, which is like a sapin-sapin. And then we also made our version of tibok-tibok, which is caramel's milk with an otap base and a crunchy lipstick.
Anong klaseng ice candy?
This is ube, so we made our own halaya.
Very good, sir. Parang gelato na. Gelato ice candy.
Ayun, pero sa parang cassava tart base.
Social. And then, what's this
one? This one is the tibok. It's caramel's milk, and then this one is...
Iniito na yung hand?
Yeah. Medyo messy lang.
Messy is beautiful. May dotap.
Yes, big. It's parang traditional Filipino, so medyo parang market.
Sarap. Sarap. Pang summer. Very good. I guess the surprise din yung tao doon. Doon din siguro nagdagdag ng bagong experience. But I'm so happy kasi nagustuhan nila. And together with cooking with other friends,